In today's tutorial, we are going to talk about one software where we can flirt with AI, yet you may earn massive from it. So it's going to be a short tutorial, yet a very effective one. Make sure you stick around with me until then, and for now, let's begin with the tutorial. Step 1. Signing up. Go to the link given in the description of talkieai.com and open it in any browser. Then go to this sign in option. In order to sign in, you can sign in with your Gmail account. So I have just signed in. Now here you get some recommended avatars with whom you can flirt, right? You may choose as per your interest as well. You can go for fantasy avatars or modern avatars, parallel world avatar, and movie or game anime. So whatever avatar you're looking for, if you're a bookworm, you want to talk about or flirt about a book, then you can do this. Language learning, if you want to learn any different language also, you may go for language. So you have different options. So I am an adventure lover, so I will go to adventure. Okay. Now you may choose any of these rooms. There are many rooms. If you scroll rightwards, you get different rooms. Let me get this adventure RPG room. Now, once you get into a room, you need to type your question or your interaction here in this box. So let me type my first message. I have typed a simple question. Where are you from? Let's see what happens. So they are giving the reply. Now, since there is no audio, let me change and go to some other avatar, okay, where I get some audio. Before we move forward, friends, I have one small request to you. I have given myself a target of 2000 likes and 500 comments. So please do contribute your valuable opinion in the comment section and please smash the like button. Your support helps me to thrive every single day. With that, let's move forward to the next part. Let me go to modern avatar and let me take this one. I have given this question, how is life at your side? And go to this message option. Let's see what AI says.
It's going well, but I have to take care of this annoying subject that keeps coming into my lab and bugging me.
So they will be giving some answer. Accordingly, you can give different more questions. I'm giving my next question. Can you?
Well, just take it easy. Don't bother people too much, and stay out of trouble. I mean, just don't be too loud and don't cause trouble, and it should be easy enough.
Okay, so this is how you can continuously flirt. Okay, now let me go and check some other options. How you can earn from here. First of all, you can see all these flirting, channels, or they are just doing nothing. They're sitting in front of the laptop, opening some sort of software, AI flirting software, which is in vogue, and just while flirting, they're just recording it. Okay, and look at their views. In 1 month, they are getting more than 1 lakh view. This lady, quite aged, in 6 months, she has gained 3 million views, right? While having fun in chatting and flirting with AI. So this is the power of this trending topic where we can gain information, valuable information as well. Now, if I want some more valuable information, let me take some travel related niche. Let me go to helper and let me come this. Here, if you give any question, suppose, okay, I have asked for this information. Let us see.
1. Stockholm, Sweden. 2. Oslo, Norway. 3. Copenhagen, Denmark. 4. Helsinki. Sure, here are some tour agencies that offer tours to the 5 destinations you requested.
So you basically can use these software as a better substitute of GPT in a fun way. Now this you can screen record while chatting, and you can create a content which will be helpful. Now contents not necessarily has to be a casual content. You can even have a travel vlog where you can do this sort of chatting. People will enjoy, and at the same time you will gain watch hour and earn from YPP as well, which is YouTube Partners Program. And at the same time, if you do all these fun things, you can also engage your viewers and they will gain value as well as they will enjoy your tutorial. So that's from my side, this software. Please explore this software and I look forward for your comment. Please do engage guys in the comment section. That way I get enough understanding of what exactly you're looking for. And if you want to know different models, different AI tools, please do visit www.vagpemedia.in, where we have created a comprehensive course for you all, which is getting an early bird offer as well at this moment. So guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet, and please consider to give me a like. One small request, please do share my content with your friends and family so that I can thrive in every single day to create new videos like this for you all. Thank you so very much for staying here with me. I'll come back with some fun tutorial next week. Till then, stay safe and stay legendary.